Welcome back, traders, to the channel. Today we'll be analyzing deeply NVIDIA stock by giving key technical levels to buy the stock, as well we'll be also giving some price targets towards upside here on NVIDIA. So whether you're a swing trader or a day trader, you definitely don't want to miss out. So let's get started. First of all, let's begin here with the daily chart. NVIDIA has seen an immense return here for shareholders ever since the April lows here, where the stock was around $98, and it's pretty much now returning 100% of the investment now, nearing $180. It's been amazing what this company has been able to do by giving such an immense return here to shareholders, and it's obvious it's the leader here in AI. So stock is really bullish. It's well overextended, I say, here from the 50 EMA. If you kind of look at this on a longer term, it's well above it. We're 14% away from the 50 EMA, but we may expect some type of pullback around here on earnings. We may have some profit taking, right? There's a lot of volatility around those earnings, but I do expect some type of pullback anytime soon around here, this area of 152. So now going to here, the shorter term type of trading here, for example, let's say the swing trades and day trades. Let's go towards an hourly chart. So as you guys can see here, the chart, NVIDIA is well above its key areas here, the 50 EMA. And if we kind of look at the drawings here, some key areas and levels that I'm looking to buy the stock here are going to be this one. My number one is $171.21 due to the fact that it's forming confluence here with the 50 EMA and this prior area of resistance, which was a swing high anchored VWAP. And now the buyers broke above it, right? We broke above it quite well. And I believe NVIDIA will come back and find some more demand here around this zone because we have that double confluence here. Now, if the stock does a deeper pullback, I do expect some buyers to be located here at the $166 level with around 18 cents here, which is where we found prior support here and the most intense volume here that we see on NVIDIA. If it's a more deeper correction, the other level that I'm looking out for is going to be $162.01 here because it's forming confluence around the zone, right? We have the 200 EMA, this dotted line, forming confluence with this important prior area of support right here on NVIDIA, where we saw this very intense wick that you guys see here. I'll just point it out right there. So those are three important areas here on NVIDIA that I'm looking out for to buy, honestly, the stock and enter. So 171.21, $166.18, and $162 here based on the current stock price. Now, if we look here on Tesla, that's where we had, if you guys don't believe me, that's where Tesla saw the bounce. If you guys saw my last video on Tesla, we stated that if the stock was bearish on earnings, it was going to decline here towards the areas of 321, 314, or 304. And it found support exactly at the lower level here of 304, and the stock has given all the way towards $321, pretty much a $20 return here in just 2 days. And like I said, it found support exactly at this level. It held the key level after the earnings of 304 and gave a return here towards $324, around $20 return. So these levels are accurate and exact here, obviously based off technical analysis. And that's what I expect here around NVIDIA. So if the stock, like I said, does pull back, I do expect some key areas there and support around these zones here on NVIDIA stock. Now, if you guys like this analysis, feel free to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and as always, don't let the markets whip you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next one.